Back low vowels, aw and ah. The caught merger. Aw and ah are back vowels, where the tongue is low. Before we learn how to pronounce aw and ah, we need to know this fact. In standard American English, many words that used to be pronounced with the O are pronounced with ah. This phenomenon is called the caught merger. Areas in the U.S. where there is no merger, caught and caught are pronounced as caught and caught. But in standard American English, they sound the same, caught. Due to the merger, in standard American English, these words are homophones. Homophones due to aw and ah merger. Caught, caught. Collar, collar. Don, put clothes on. Don, nickname of Donald, Dawn. Naughty, naughty. Not, not. Rot, rot. Stock, stalk. Taught, very young child, taught. Nod, nod. Pronunciation of aw. Due to the caught merger, words with the pure phoneme aw do not exist. Instead, words with the aw sound exist as an R-colored vowel or, as in Florida and orange. The aw sound also occurs as a diphthong oi, as in boy and noise. Words with or can be challenging if we do not know how to pronounce the aw sound. For example, war, warm, and order. So it is important to know how to pronounce aw. Aw is a medium-low back vowel. It is also a round vowel, meaning that the lips are rounded when saying aw. To know how to say aw, it is useful to compare it with sounds that share some similar mechanics. Compared with another round vowel oo, the lips are not pushed out as much as oo, since the tongue for aw has to be low. To make the tongue low, mechanically speaking, the jaw has to drop. To know how much the jaw has to drop, compare aw with another round vowel o. O is a mid-high vowel, and aw is a mid-low vowel. By the way, o as a pure phoneme occurs in Korean and French, but not in standard American English, where it occurs only as a diphthong sound, o. Since o is a mid-high vowel, the jaw does not drop, but aw is a mid-low vowel, so the jaw has to drop significantly. Aw is not an aw without the jaw dropping. Or words. These are words with the or sound. With or, boring, corner, foreign, forest, 40, historical, majority, moral, north, orange, origin, priority, short, story, shorter, reporter, supporter, order, border, recorder, core, pour, or, Thor. With AR, quarter, war, warm, swarm. With OOR, door, floor, pour. With OAR, soar, roar, or. with O-R-E. Or, swore, war. Before, more, with O-U-R. For, poor. Poor, poor, and poor are homophones. Ah words. Ah should be a pretty straightforward sound for non-native speakers since the sound is common in all languages. It is an unrounded, low back vowel sound. The sound is called the short O sound by American teachers since the sound is commonly found in the letter O. The letter A can sometimes make a short O sound too, though. These are words with the pronunciation of ah. With A: calm, father, wasp, watch, walk, swallow, swap. With O: body, bother, clock, cost, doctor, follow, got, holiday, hot, involve, job, lot, model, not, possible, probably, problem, shop, stop, top, borrow, sorry, tomorrow. Are colored R words with AR: arm, army, art, article, artist, bar, car, card, carpet, charge, charm, chart, dark, department, far, farm, garden, guard, guitar, hard, harm, large, march, mark, market, park, part, partner, party, regard, remark, sharp, smart, star, start, target. With EAR and UAR, heart, guard. Due to the caught merger, there are no minimal pairs for aw and ah, so we examine minimal pairs with their R-colored vowels. R or minimal pairs. Far, for. Tart, tort. Part, port. Farm, form. Barn, born. Hard, hoard. Barred, board. Cart, court. Mart, mort. Mar, more. Impart, import. Depart, deport. Car, core. R, minimal pairs. Far, fur. Shark, shirk. Star, stir. Hard, herd. Barn, burn. Heart, hurt. Cart, curt. Dart, dirt. Farm, firm. Park, perk. Or minimal pairs. For, fur. Store, stir. Born, burn. Short, shirt. Form, firm. Warm, worm. War, were. Torn, turn. Board, bird. Court, curt. Dork, dirk. Pork, perk. Course, curse. Hoard, herd. Hoard, herd. Former, firmer. Accord, occurred. Conform, confirm. Course, curse. Warrior, worrier. Warrior, he who fights. Worrier, he who worries. Or versus versus are comparison sentences. Now that we learned or, and are, we can pronounce the following tricky words confidently: warm and worm. The key is to know that warm has o sound and worm has a sound. Warm, worm. Today is pretty warm. Birds eat worms. Course, curse. Of course you can go. He cursed loudly when he hurt his foot. These are comparison sentences with the R-colored vowels or, and are. Form, firm, farm. Please fill out the form. My decision is firm. Old MacDonald had a farm. Born, burn, barn. It was born in a burnt barn. Hoard, herd, hard. She hoards old newspapers. In an elephant herd, the elders walk in front. It's hard. These are some more R-colored vowel comparison sentences. Our former boss was a bit firmer when it came to discipline. It never occurred to me that the U.S. would sign the trade accord. You have to conform to the rules. If you don't, that will confirm our doubts about you. A language course should not teach students how to curse. World wars shouldn't happen. Warriors worry about another world war. We need warriors, not worriers. Worms thrive in warm weather.